up? Kain tayo. Andito si Aisha.
Hi.
We will dance later.
No.
Rowena.
Hi.
What?
And then
And then,
when you finish, you put.
alcohol.
It's very.
It's pain, but then you will...
After how many?
Then after that, you put some cream, Vaseline, or anything. Don't put Vicks. That's it. Okay? If you want, I will make it to you.
Very hard.
Okay? That's it. Pancit.
I leave the.
Hmm.
Why it's very cold.
I put it... It's hot. I put it in many hours. Just put it, get here in the side.
It's cold. It's hot, but not.
It's hot, but it's not hot. Ah, okay. Rowena, it's hot, but it's not hot. So you want also this?
Yeah.
Everything with me, you want. You want me?
This your phone is.
My phone is phone. Cell phone.
You want cell phone?
Which is.
It's Infinix.
It's a good camera. It's a good camera. When
Good.
you take it.
Huh? So, when you buy earrings, come here and I will make you.
With this.
No,
We have the small bastol.
no. Only my hand. It's same. Marian, Jobel, I'm the one who make the earring. It's easy. It's easy. We make like that one, like that.
With the small bastol.
With earrings already.
Oh. And you make like that.
Because this earrings has, see?
Yeah.
So that's why it's made like that and inside. Many inside. Kaubos na English ba naman? Uy. Like chicken.
Bird.
Try that one.
I don't want. No, this one nice. Oh, yummy.
Try. They said,
This is.
yes, macaroni shell, but it's macaroni giniling.
Nice.
Oh, see? Maarte talaga yung mga yan.
It's nice.
Sa? It's yummy, the macaroni shells.
It's the one.
Eat.
Bird.
This for last week. That.
Yeah. Yes, don't you see? It's from last week. They keep a lot of food.
Then in our house we don't have a lot of food.
Because you didn't cook.
We cook Friday, me and Madam, a lot of food. Fasuli with the meat we make, and then we cook okra, and then we cook scrap.
We cook what?
No, me and
Chatting. Then
I don't know.
and then what? You cook.
Okay, and then what? Wala maga.
And then yan na eat.
Okay.
Don't be shy. You dance in Instagram and then you will
You put me in the Instagram.
I see. No, I just see in your phone. You told me you dance there.
Pakain.
Para ay, ala, hindi ininit.
Ang liit namin yan.
Ang tigas pa rin.
Kasi may ano siya.
May fever. Di ba? Hindi siya wala siyang, may lagnat, walang lagnat.
Wala siyang lagnat. Nanlalamig siya. Malamig na yung pag-ibig.
Parang ano. Umupo siya. Sino mo bang may pag-ibig dyan na mainit?
So, next week, if you have earring, I will make you like that.
I don't have until I buy.
Oh, I will wait. Don't worry.
Why don't give?
Ay,
Because when why me?
Because
What? I'm not a doctor. I'm not a
kamay na ako. Ano?
Ano lasa ng macaroni, sir? She like it. You?
Masarap na.
Masarap siya eh.
Creamy siya.
Kaso ang sabi niya, bahala sila sa buhay.
Ano ba sabi niya? Hindi siya maalat.
Di ba?
Creamy lang siya.
Dry.
Machis.
Dry daw kasi. Nahigop naman kasi. Gusto pala nila ng hindi dry, nilagyan na sana
why
sa
this
tabaw.
one is very sour?
Ano siya?
Because not sour, ano tawag doon?
Ang palaya.
It's, I mean I don't know what is that. I cannot eat.
Napait.
Mapait. Because,
Like aloe vera.
yeah,
Aloe vera.
because it's ampalaya. Say ampalaya.
Antalay.
Antalaya. It's ampalaya. And it's healthy. No,
Very
you
good,
don't
right?
want. You don't want the healthy food.
I like but this one.
When you go in the Philippines, I will make you eat kwek-kwek. Fish ball.
What?
Yeah, kwek-kwek. Fish ball.
Kaya kasi sa wek-wek.
When fish ball and kikiam and tuhog-tuhog and then the bituka. Say bituka. Yeah. Bituka of chicken.
Liver like that. Yes.
The
Liver chicken.
anong tawag doon?
Heart chicken.
Ang hirap mag-English.
Sopatos chicken.
The inside of the chicken. It's yummy. Did you eat the feet of chicken? The feet of chicken, the Adidas?
Ay, kamote ito.
Diyan siya kumakain.
Don't worry.
Uy, sa kanila nga, grabe yung ano.
Next time, I will let you eat. I will make you eat. The chicken eat. Ayun lang.
Oh, nice.
There's a lot of, she want many boyfriends. She want 10 million. 10 million.
No, it's lying.
She want 10 million.
Nakita mo yung madilim, di ba? Kahit madilim, post pa rin siya ng post. 18 lang yung
Alay ko,
nakikita.
init. But this one you want. Oh, see? Because I'm the one who cooked that one.
This one?
Yes.
It's your first time?
No.
No! It's a many time.
I don't know how to cook this. I know maybe to fry this.
Oh, yes. You know how to fry, to cook, and boil.
But hard food like this, no.
You will learn soon.
Yeah. Tama. Last time, Aisha, after you finish to cook, you give the baby this one and pasta like this.
I know how to cook pasta.
Boil.
Alam niya nga, pero hindi niya pinabigay kagad sa mga
Hindi,
bata.
kasi niintay niya yung sinasabi ng amo niyang babae. Because she wait the one madam said.
Sa signal.
Yes, the signal.
Kasi pinapakain
He
niya.
will bring. Because madam said they will eat up sa.
Sigaw siya ng sigaw doon. Bakit hindi mo pinakain?
Say bye, Aisha.
Bye.
Say